ChatGPT, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? First of all, we know Google is #1 search engine.
क्या बोला तूने?
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
And this time #1 is ChatGPT, and ChatGPT kill Google. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. OpenAI was founded in December 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, John Schulman, and Wojciech Zremba. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where machines have the ability to communicate and understand human language like never before. Today, we are going to explore one of the most advanced language models, ChatGPT. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? What is OpenAI? OpenAI is a non-profit research company.
जोर-जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे।
How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by predicting the next word in a given prompt or conversation. It uses a deep neural network to analyze the input text and generate a response based on the patterns it has learned from the training data. The model has two main components: an encoder that processes the input text and a decoder that generates the output text. With every new input, ChatGPT updates its internal state to generate an even more accurate response. How to use ChatGPT? ChatGPT can be used through a simple API provided by OpenAI. All you need to do is send your input text to the API, and it will generate a response. The API can be integrated into various applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and even customer service systems. The possibilities are endless with ChatGPT.
मजा आया
Using ChatGPT is as simple as typing a message and hitting the enter key. You can ask it anything, from general knowledge questions to more specific questions about a topic you are interested in. It can also generate creative writing, jokes, and much more. The possibilities are endless. Let's take a look at some examples of ChatGPT in action. If you ask ChatGPT, "What's the weather like today?" it might respond with, "I'm sorry, but I don't have access to real-time weather information." In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you have the most engaging and entertaining conversations with your computer. Whether you are looking to expand your knowledge, have a good laugh, or just pass the time, ChatGPT has got you covered. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the fun begin. And that's it for this video on what is ChatGPT and how to work ChatGPT. I hope you now have a better understanding of what ChatGPT is and how it works. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos.
Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video.